please accept this key of responsibility, which symbolizes the duties and functions as being the school head of Pinanguman Elementary School. You have now the authority, responsibility, and accountability to govern and lead the Pinanguman Elementary School. So with 161 learners, 8 innovative teachers including the ALS, we have 2 jolly NTPs, and the very active barangay officials. They will join you on how to improve the DepEd programs and project of Pinanguman Elementary School. So enjoy your days here in Pinanguman Elementary School. Congratulations and God bless you.